Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. First of all, wishing you a Merry Christmas. May Santa brings lot of happiness for your whole family, and you will enjoy very good moment in the end of 2020, and you reduce your negativity, and God give you lot of positivity and lot of happy moments you will spend. This is my heartily wish to every of my viewer and every of my YouTube friend. So now I'm going to start weekly prediction, which is started from 21st of December 2020 to 27th of December 2020. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Just follow my video, just listen my video, keep ascendant sign in your mind. So let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants from 21st of December 2020 to 27th of December 2020. You will enjoy great success because 24th of December Mars enter in your first house. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Good fortune is in your favor. This week from 20th December to 27th of December you will feel much relaxed. You will enjoy very good energy, a positive energy you will enjoy. Your health will be fine. You will spend some quality time with your spouse and your kids. Your elders will support you. Aries, you are trying to do your best, and your all efforts will give you fruitful results from 20th December to 27th of December. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will be in a far better position compared to last few weeks. This week, one of the biggest change, some new business opportunities will knock you. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If you are jobless, you will definitely get job. You will get promoted. If you are in already job, your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. In this week, on 21st of December, Santa will brings lot of happiness for you, Aries, because good fortune is in your favor. Jupiter Saturn is in your 10th house, Mars is in your first house. You will achieve lot of milestone at your workplace. Your creativity, your ability and your skills will create lot of magic at your workplace. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Mentally you feel much relaxed. There is a strong chances some email or some phone call will make you happy related to your professional life. You may receive some gift or some extra earning from your seniors, from your workplace, which will make you happy. Santa is ready to give you a lot of success in 2020. On 20th December to 27th of December, you will enjoy a lot of good moments with your family and friends. Aries, you need to put your 100% effort. You will achieve lot of goals. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants from 20th December to 27th December, you will feel much relaxed. But some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but overall you will get promoted. Your salary will rise and you will be able to save lot of money. You will enjoy a lot of happy moments with your family and friend. Santa is ready to give you lot of happiness, success, peace of mind, fame. From 20th December to 27th of December, you will feel much relaxed. But some workload will create some problem at your workplace. Some overloaded work will create some trouble. But overall, you become a winner at the end. After doing hard work, after doing strong, karma at your workplace, after doing your strong, passion, you will achieve lot of things. Taurus, this whole week brings lot of new things in your life. You will be sky high and top. Some unexpected money will knock you. Good fortune is in your favor. Your all pending work will click. Your competitor are not able to stand in front of you. You will enjoy a lot of success. A great success you will enjoy from 20th December to 27th December. In the terms of professional front, you are totally busy in this week. You don't have time to talk with your friends because there's a lot of work at your place. You will making a lot of money. Name, fame, and your ability, your skills will create some magic at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You have an ability to achieve some milestone. Taurus, do your best. Don't get upset if things are not working 1-2 days. Overall, you become a winner because you are full of intelligence. You know how to impress others. People get attract from you in this week. Santa is ready to give you a lot of success. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants from 20th December to 27th December 2020. In this week, you will face some hurdles. Relationship with your spouse, relationship with your elders are not very promising. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but you will get money from your family. You will get money from your father's side. You will get some inheritance or some gift from your family. But relationship is a target from Saturn side. You are trying to live far away from your family, you will get success. If you are trying to PR or work permit, you will get PR or work permit. You will get some good news from foreign land. Happiness store in 2020 last week from 20th December to 27th December, you will enjoy success, but after your struggle and hard work. Success not as per your expectations, but it is a better week compared to last few weeks, because Mars is in your 11th house, which will trying to fulfill your old dreams and desires. Gemini, you are the best, but this is a struggling week. Jupiter Saturn is in your 8th house. All positive energy is in your 8th house. If you are a researcher, if you are a doctor, if you are any type of you can say researcher or astrologer or occult master, you will get success. Hidden money will knock you from hidden source of earning. Gemini, be humble, do best with others, must go for some charity that may be $1 if you are not afford too much. Must take blessings from your father's side and your family side. Don't use any bad word. Give some respect to your elders. It will be a biggest game changer act for you. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer. Cancer from 20th December to 27th December, you need to be careful about your health. Your health is matter of concern. Professional life will be shine. You will be ultimate. Santa is ready to give you a lot of success at your workplace. You will enjoy a lot of comforts and benefits. If you are a businessman, if you are an importer, exporter, you will get blessed with a very good profit from your workplace. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your profession will be shine like a sun. If you are jobless, you may get job after 24th December. This whole week from 20th December to 27th December 2020, you will enjoy name, fame, prosperity. You will get a lot of support from your siblings. Some short distance and long distance journeys will make you happy. Cancer, you need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful about your stomach related trouble will irritate you. Cancer, put your 100% effort at your workplace. You will definitely get some rewards with good amount of money. You will get some extra source of earning, which will make you happy. This whole week is a very positive week for you. Enjoy the good moments with your family and friend, and best of luck for this week. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendants. Leo Ascendants, your pending work will click. Fortune is in your favor. You will achieve some goals. Your bank balance with full of money. You're trying to open new bank account because there's a lot of money will knock you. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday in this week from 20th December to 27th December will be ultimate for you. And weekend will be very promising. You will spend very good time with your elders and your spouse, with your kids. You will spend some quality time with your family and friend. This whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will fine. Your wealth will fine. You will be in a great confidence. This week, create magic in your professional life. You will get blessed with some big amount of money, and if you are importer exporter, you will get blessed with a lot of profit. Leo, this time will give you a lot of happiness, peace of mind, success, and blessings of your parents will make your way easy. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. Virgo, this whole week brings some small challenge, but you will get success because Jupiter is going to give you a lot of blessings. Jupiter aspecting is on your 5th, 11th and 1st house will give you a lot of blessings. You will feel much relax and comfort. After some struggle and hard work, you will get success. Your hard work convert in great success. Virgo, you need to give your 100% best at your workplace. You will get 200% positive results. This whole week brings lot of positive event of your life. Things will work out as per your planning. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy a lot of positive events. If you are trying to switch off your job, then this is a right week. If you're trying to start any new business, then this is a right week. Virgo, you need to do your best. If you are interested to invest your money in stock market, this is the ultimate week. You will earn a lot of money from there. If you are already investing your money every day in intraday, you will get very good profit every day. Because Jupiter is in your 5th house with Saturn in Dharma, Karma, Adhapati, Yoga. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, peace of mind, success achievements and lot of good relationship with your family and